Imagine you're finally ready to retire. You've worked 40 plus years, saved diligently, and now it's time to enjoy the life you earned. But then, out of nowhere, bam, your financial advisor hits you with a surprise. There are rollover fees you didn't plan for. So today, let's make sure that never happens to you. We're breaking down exactly what Gold IRA rollover fees you should expect, so there are no surprises when you take control of your retirement. And we'll get to the story of a retired contractor in Sarasota, Florida, who rolled over $526,000 into a Gold IRA, but only after getting burned by a hidden fee with his previous provider. First, let's look at the bigger picture. Wall Street Journal, April 2025. Retirees face growing uncertainty amid rate cuts and market volatility. CNBC reports inflation is cooling, but not for essentials. Housing, groceries, insurance, still climbing. And with President Trump expected to shake up the Fed again, it's no wonder so many Americans are searching for safe havens. This is why thousands are turning to Gold IRAs, not just as a hedge, but as a foundation to be straining for their retirement. But here's the truth. Not all rollovers are created equal. Let's break down the fees you should actually expect in a Gold IRA rollover. 1. Setup fee. Most reputable custodians charge a one-time fee, usually around $50 to $250. This covers account creation and compliance paperwork. 2. Transfer or rollover fee. If you're moving funds from a 401k or traditional IRA, some institutions charge outgoing wire or account closure fees, typically $25 to $75. Not your new provider's fee, but something to ask your current custodian about. 3. Annual maintenance fees. These range from $100 to $300 per year, depending on the provider. It covers record keeping, statements, and compliance support. Non-Gavde. Storage fees. Because IRS rules require physical gold to be stored in a secure, approved facility, you'll see segregated or non-segregated storage fees, often $100 to $150 per year. 5. Markup on metals. This one's tricky. Some companies inflate the cost of the metals you're buying, and that's where they really make their money. Always ask about spread or markup percentages. It's not technically a fee, but it can cost you way more over time. Now, let's get back to Paul in Sarasota. Paul spent 3 decades running a successful contracting business. He wasn't flashy, but he was smart. He built up a strong 401k, and as he approached retirement, the 2022 banking crisis made him rethink his strategy. So he rolled over $526,000 into a Gold IRA. At first, he trusted a flashy firm that promised free silver. But buried in the fine print, a 33% markup on the coins he bought. That free silver ended up costing him tens of thousands. He got out, did more research, found a firm that focused on education, not pressure. And that changed everything. Paul's now holding physical gold in a tax-advantaged account, stored safely and legally, and he sleeps like a rock. And it all started with one smart move. He grabbed the free Gold IRA guide linked below. So here's your next step. If you're a retiree or approaching retirement, and you have over $100,000 in a 401k or IRA, you owe it to yourself to protect your wealth. Click the link to get your free Gold IRA guide. It's packed with everything you need to know, including how to avoid fees, spot hidden markups, and decide if it's the right fit for you. There's no pressure, no sales gimmicks, and definitely no free silver catch. Just one-on-one help from real people who understand how important your retirement is, because we know this isn't just about money. It's about protecting what you've built for your family, your legacy, your future. And listen, even if you decide not to move forward, you'll walk away smarter, clearer, and more confident. But if it is right for you, it could be the smartest financial move you make this year. Get the free guide. Take the call. Make sure your retirement is built to last.